Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2010? Yeah, 2010 Highlander HV. What are we doing today? We're doing a couple of things service-wise, but the main thing we're doing is we're replacing the oil pan assembly. And I believe we're replacing the oil pan assembly because a few Goombas have stripped out the oil pan. But when we take it up top, we'll see what's going on, whether it's stripped or there's some flavor or there's an impact. We'll see. So, you know what comes next. Well, let's take it up top. So now that we've taken it up top, and great googly moogly. Yeah, it's looking like a stripped out drain plug. It's leaking some fresh oil. It's probably had some service. Oh yeah, yo, not for nothing. Everything's looking pretty good. You know what? Let's look around. It's 2010. It's looking good. Hardware still identifies as hardware. Very unusual, but okay. Flavor country? Very bland. We got some lemon chicken going on here, guys. Didn't expect this. That's probably the original spare. Well, where's the DOT? No, it's on the other side. I ain't dropping it till we go look. Oh, is there pressure? Yeah, it's holding pressure too. Oh, what's going on here? I finish the EOS and I get a car like this. Something's gonna go wrong. Something ain't right. It's original sealer right there. So yeah, the car only has like 65K on it. Whips. What's the mileage? Yeah, around 65K. All right, well, we got the self-lubricating chassis system doing what it needs to do, but it's looking a little dry over here. Let's very good, very good. Let's just rub that in. Giggity. All right, let's drain the oil and get this pan down. All right, so how bad is this? Oh, well, that's pretty bad. That ain't. Oh. You can see that first thread ain't looking good. Oh, and look, yeah, you can see it's not. Oh, gotta get the wrench back on it. Oh. Oh. Alright, so they did just get service. Let's drain this fresh oil. Alright guys, here we have the pan off, and I already have started to clean our surface in preparation for the new oil pan. And I know I got in a lot of crap for it, but you know what? I like to use this wire wheel here on a slow speed, and it cleans it off really good. I still got to brake clean the surface, but it leaves a very nice surface there for the fibbage to adhere to. Very good. Let's continue. You know, not for nothing, the slow speed freaking sucks. You could use the high speed, just don't put a lot of pressure. Just go back and forth until the old sealant is removed. And then what we're going to do is we're going to brake clean the surface, make sure all of this dust here from the old sealant is gone. And yeah, we're going to put the new oil pan up. Very good. Alright guys, let's do some comparison. We have the brand new oil pan here. We have threads, as you can see. Now, the old one, we have a damn near finished surface right there. It looks machined. Let's see if we can really see it or not. I don't know. Yeah, look at those threads. They're, well, actually, you can't look at them because they're not there. This one, actual threads, and it's getting a brand new drain plug as well. Let's get the fibbage out and start pouring. Alright, fibbage is all on and fingered about. Giggity. Now we're going to go prep the surface on the engine, and we'll be ready for installation. Very good. Alright guys, brand new drain plug. Oil pan is on and torqued to spec. Well, German torque. So now our oil pan, drain plug, crush washer, drain plug and everything does not need to be crazy tight. Just give it the good elbow, and that's it. You're gonna be good. If you want to be a little excessive, yes, you can bust out the torque wrench and look up the torque spec and whatnot, but there's no need to over tighten the drain plug. Just replace the crush washer every single time you Goombas and you'll be fine. Well, alright guys, the oil pan has been resealed. It's the next morning. Oil has been added last night and there's no drips on the ground. We are dry. I still have to fill the washer fluid. As you can see, it's low. We did just perform a brake fluid exchange, and of course you clean the reservoir when you're done. So after we do that, we're going to go on a road test, make sure it stops, and yeah, very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.